repair would definitely work in Canada. You guys just have to know how to do it. So I gave you guys a free dispute letter. You can see it down below. All you have to do is send that dispute letter in to Equifax and TransUnion and dispute like collections and charge-offs and like public records. If you guys have like bankruptcies, you can go ahead and dispute those different accounts. You guys have a system where it says take like 15 to 20 days for them to get back to you guys. Definitely follow up with them. Usually it takes us 30 days to get some information back, whether or not the account is going to get deleted. And yes, use the letters, they letter directly from Equifax and TransUnion that I provide. Send that letter in too, and you'll see accounts being removed from your credit reports. Now, let me show you guys that Equifax, because I actually, like I said, I did a full review on it, but I want to show you guys the website. So this is the Equifax website. If you want to start a dispute, all you have to do is click right here. You can do a dispute online, so that's electronic, or you can do a mail dispute. The point that you guys can still do mail disputes, like when I first started helping people with credit, mail disputes were the best because I see a lot of people get accounts removed by doing those mail disputes. But since we start getting more into like, not necessarily like mail disputes, but doing more online and letters, people start doing more letters. Mail disputes were not as effective. But since you guys have that as like your second option, whether you're gonna do it online or mail dispute, I definitely suggest that you guys do mail disputes. And these are the different things that you can be disputing. Say if you have like some fraud, somebody died, you want to file a notice about that, you want to remove like some personal information. Sometimes you guys can have like your name, the address, your date of birth, your social identification number, different, or your number different. You can edit that, your employer, your accounts, bank alerts, whether it's like overdraft status or like your balance, inquiries, public records. Public records, you guys, include collections. We don't usually include collections. We only usually have just judgments and bankruptcies, but we don't even have judgments on our credit reports anymore here in America. But public records, that's probably a big spot you guys will be disputing. And also like secured loans. Maybe you have like a lien or something like that. You guys can definitely go ahead and dispute that. And if you guys have like a credit lock, then you guys can go ahead and remove that credit lock. And you can go ahead and click right here, click submit, and you can get the, or actually, let me go ahead and click public records. You can go ahead and use this letter that is going to pop up, but I also typed the letter that you guys can use. So let me actually show you the letter that popped up. This is the actual letter that popped up. It popped up on a separate screen. Make sure you guys can see it. Yep. So this is the letter. This is letters you guys can actually send out. So the form. So go ahead and fill out this form here, and you can send it in. I do suggest you do send out this form. And also, if you send out this form and you're not getting the results that you need, follow up with those letters that I have, you guys. I give you the first letter for free, and then it's a total of 7 letters that you guys can send out. And it's good for collections, charge-offs, also inquiries. So if you guys have inquiries, it's also good for that. But definitely you guys can dispute accounts on your credit reports. You guys have TransUnion and Equifax. I teach you guys how to do that in my previous video, so definitely check that out. And just start working on your credit. You can pay somebody to do it, or you can do it yourself. But I just suggest try to do it yourself first, because I'm not sure how your credit repair companies out there work. You know, I just see a lot of people getting results here in America too when you just send out the letters. And I usually help my clients that's inside my membership send out letters, because I know that's very, very effective. So I suggest you guys do the same thing.